want to show you what Grant says. The first one is very funny. Hey, buddy, say wolf. See?
What other words?
Grant, can you say spoon? Moon. Can you say moon? Moon. How about say star? Star. Good boy.
Can you say apple? Apple. Good boy.
Hey, buddy. Now do, can you do cat? No. Good boy. Now.
Can you say boo-boo?
Boo.
Where's boo-boo?
Buddy, say Mimi.
Nini.
Say Dada. Dada. And say Mama. Mama. That's all you want to say.
Is that all you have to say, mister?
Cheese.
Cheese.
And buddy, say, thank you. Say please. Please.
Can you say bye-bye?
He didn't say bye-bye yet.
Okay.
That's the end that we want to show you.
Say bye-bye.
Grant says bye. Me
Bye,
too.
Grant.
Bye.